I fixed the sidebar thing. I'm not going to upload it because it was like a one-line fix and took about 30 seconds. So it's not particularly interesting. Is song start sometimes can't be checked? So create a start block. It's automatically checked. Now I delete it and then I create another one. It's fine. Oops. Start block. Oh, that's a bug as well. Just found another bug. It's not a very important one. If I just do that, the shading doesn't disappear until you move. Yeah, I don't care about that right now. I'll make a note of it. Tempo shading doesn't disappear immediately after deleting tempo guide. Right, the start block. Keep misclicking. Start block. I can't reproduce it now. How did I do it before? Start block. How did I do it before? This is working fine now. Might have to watch that video back. So one of the benefits of like finding bugs while recording is I can watch the video back and see what I did. I had other blocks on here. Aha! Weird. If I have... That is weird. What is this doing? That all seems fine. So this should happen. It doesn't. What? Is this just because I'm in release mode that I can't break here? Probably. I should really just do a debug build. Okay, we do get here. Set song start. Right. So when the when the when the block is deleted, the workspace isn't being notified of the current song start being deleted, I guess. But why can I not just reproduce it? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Why was I having trouble there? Selecting it. I'm having trouble selecting it for some reason. That's interesting. It's only with start blocks. If you Oh. Right. I have some logic here to make the border disappear when you hover over one of these buttons. I don't know why. Why am I doing that? I don't know why I'm doing that. I'll investigate that one day. Let's make a note of it. The start block border disappears sometimes in situations where it shouldn't. I'm still trying to reproduce. Can't do it. It's working correctly again now. I don't know what causes it. It's strange. But we can look at what happens when a block is deleted. Because what I saw a minute ago, the workspace object, it has a pointer to the current start block, which is this. And it looked like this was dangling after I deleted the start block and then undid the deletion. It looked like this was still set to the previous, like the deleted start block. So it looked like I had a dangling pointer there. It wasn't causing any like real problems because it wasn't being dereferenced, but it was being checked for nullness. Yeah, it's got nothing to do with this. Yeah, I think I understand. So when the start block is being deleted, it's not notifying the workspace that it's currently on. I don't think it is anyway. We have this unregistered thing. Doesn't this do it? It does. Right, what's going on here? This is very suspicious. So is it the song start? Yes, it is. Oh. Right, fine. I understand now. So where was the other thing? It was here. Okay, right. Okay, I understand. So, what's going on? When the start block is deleted, we say, is it the current song start? If it is, then we just set this boolean to false, and this is the boolean that we use to check if we currently have a song start, which is part of this song start state, which contains a boolean, yes or no, if we currently have a song start, and also a pointer to the start if we do have one. Why do we have both? Why can't we just use the pointer's nullability? There might be a reason. Let me think. Is there a reason for that? Surely not. But anyway, the problem that we're seeing right here is we have both. So the block's being deleted. We're setting that boolean to false. We're leaving the pointer as it is. It's just a dangling pointer. Then when we undo the start block back into existence, it's getting allocated at the same memory address. And then we're saying where this block's being added back onto the workspace. It's a brand new start block, but just coincidentally it's getting allocated at the same memory address. We're saying, is there a current start block? No, because we set that boolean to false. Then we go into here, set song start, and we're saying, is the current pointer value equal to the pointer that we're setting? And coincidentally it is, so we're just returning. We shouldn't be checking. I mean, we could immediately just fix this by checking these IDs instead. Right. That won't be. No, that won't be enough actually. That won't make any difference actually, because when you undo a block back into existence, it's going to have the same ID. Actually, this will crash because this is going to be a dangling reference, right? So previously it wasn't crashing because we were just comparing the memory addresses. There must be a reason why I have both the pointer and the boolean. But let's eliminate it. There might have been a reason previously. Okay, let's just eliminate it. And just say it like that. So we go, if we do have a song start and the ID is equal, we do this. See, look at this. Is song start, and we're checking both. But we're checking, do we have a song start, and is it active? So what is this active state that I have? There must be a reason. There must be a reason. Active. Song start active. If it's active, then surely the pointer will be non-null. So what is the point? Get song start block ref if it's active. I think this must be a legacy artifact of how things used to work at times gone past. Is song start? There must have been a time when it was necessary. There must have been a time where you could have a song start but have it inactive. But that's not the case anymore as far as I know. Like conceptually speaking, like from a design standpoint. I don't think that's a thing. So this should be comparing ID. Song start and So we're using the nullability of the pointer now to check if there's a song start. If song start. Okay. So it's a null when the block's being deleted. If we have a song start. Unset song start. We don't have What is this? What is this? Is this necessary? That is necessary, isn't it? So instead of saying song start, no pointer here, we should say unset song start, and then it will do other things that it needs to do. That seems fine. If we have a song start, yeah, that's all fine. That makes sense. Whoops. Get song start block ref. Just return that. It will be null or it won't be. What's the problem? Am I going insane? No, it's just Visual Studio catching up. If not song start, 0. Okay. I think I should be fine now. This is exciting. Yeah, I don't believe this. I don't don't believe in this. I think this is the classic thing of I changed some header files, and the Microsoft's C++ compiler is not intelligent enough to figure out what actually needs to be rebuilt, and so we've ended up with a broken build, which happens from time to time when you use when you use Visual Studio to develop. So basically, I need to do a clean build, which would take about 5 minutes. So I'm going to stop recording until it's finished. Okay, now see. Okay. So start. Yes. Oh, whoops. That's a typo. Thank you, C++, for introducing that comma syntax into if conditions. I assume it's fixed. The problem with the reason that I was finding it hard to reproduce earlier is because it was basically a coincidence whether or not when you delete a block and then you bring it back by undoing, is it going to be allocated at the same memory address or not? Because that's what was going on, right? But I think that's fixed. Most likely. Oops. Yeah. Fix. How did I describe it? I said, is song start sometimes can't be checked. That's how it manifested itself. Uncheckable.